Happy Sunday, guys. It's raining a little bit today, but this covered deck is beautiful. Like, we can still sit outside and enjoy the view and the warm weather. So I'm out here having my morning tea. Got a nice cool breeze. You can see the tree kind of swaying. Today's gonna be our last full day here. I booked the place until Monday, so today is our last full day here. I'm not 100% sure what we're gonna be getting into. Maybe going to town and find somewhere to eat. Have a meal outside of the house. We have lots of food, but maybe it'll be nice to have a meal outside the house together. It is rainy, so unfortunately I don't think the beach is gonna happen. Alright guys, it's a nice lazy Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon.
Relax.
I'm watching a documentary on YouTube right now called America's Black Upper Class, Rich, Successful, and Empowered. It's quite interesting so far.
They're on their way to the Hamptons, a beach resort popular with New York City's elite. Traveling in style in their Maserati, the couple arrives at their $12 million mansion.
I'm about halfway through the documentary so far. It's quite interesting, you guys. I'll link it down below in case any of you haven't had a chance to check it out yet. It's definitely giving motivation and inspiration in terms of, you know, being a business owner and, you know, being successful, whatever you deem success as. But it also kind of makes me almost feel bad or feel like I didn't do enough with the supportive system movement, because I'm glad that so many more people are on board with buying black owned companies, brands, services, stuff like that. It makes me feel like I almost should have pushed supportive system more or further or done more with it, but you know, I still have to be like, you did good with your little contribution on the corner of the internet, but there are people doing making moves. And sometimes I feel like if I was American, I would have had more support for the supportive system movement. I'm sure many of my Black Canadian tonettes can attest to that or understand where I'm coming from, where we just don't have the numbers here, you know what I mean? Like, Toronto is definitely a very diverse city, but outside of Toronto, you know, we just don't have the numbers. The way the US has like these big booming, you know, majority black cities, like Atlanta and, you know, Dallas, New York, Chicago, like we just don't have the numbers. I feel like it's a sheer numbers game. So yeah, I sometimes feel like support system would have done so much better if I was in the US or had that sort of, or we had those sort of, you know, large communities here in Canada. But at the same time, you know, it is just honestly a passion. Like I enjoy doing it regardless of my reach. And so, you know, I'm just still really glad for what I'm able to do with my little corner of the internet. But watching this documentary definitely makes me think about, you know, what a difference location makes. It's an easy watch. It's only 42 minutes. I'm at the 25-minute mark right now, so I'm gonna finish it up, and I'll link it down below just in case you guys are interested in checking it out.
Both our products created exclusively.
It's later in the day. Out the shower, dressed. We're about to get ready to go out and explore the area. This is my little outfit of the day. Don't I look country chic? So maybe I can go and find me like a farmer or a cowboy. I don't know, what do they do out here? You know, let my little locks down. I'm cute or whatever. All right, girl. Lego. We found this spot, guys. Jerk Bagel Charcoal Grill. It's pretty cool. It's outdoor. It's outdoor and it looks like Kind of looks like somebody's just having a barbecue. It's cool. Next stop. Belly. Oh, and they're on Instagram. Found a food truck called Get in My Belly. Hey.
Parking, please. I don't think so. Like,
Alright, we got our food from this food truck called Get in My Belly, and it's about to be that. Like, that's what's gonna happen. I got a burger combo, cheeseburger and poutine. Taste tests. The girls got the same thing pretty much. That is good, that is great. Thank you for the food, that sounds pretty. Amen.
okay, you guys. Don't judge me. I got a poutine with a burger with and a bacon cheeseburger. Like, literally, I cannot.
The poutine's so good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Nice dark gravy.
Yeah, it's actually really good.
Yeah, it's a good turn. Let's see, let's see. Yeah. Poutine is hair. See the bird? Dude.
Hey guys, happy Monday morning. We checking out. I'm ready to go. We're up in Chicago today for some reason. And I'm just doing a once over. So we're about to check out. Making sure nobody left anything, forgot anything in the bedrooms and or bathrooms. We're ready to go. This was an excellent stay. I would definitely return. Super comfortable, quiet, cozy, and very thoughtful pieces of hospitality. So yeah, thumbs up for this spot.